Of course. I'm gonna try and get my volume level in line with the mid one. Oh shit, we jumped all the way to episode 4 now? What happened in the second and third?
Trust me, I know what I'm doing.
Skip to 757. I forgot to put time in the link. Oh, we watched this already.
Now, when is this prison break supposed to happen?
Right.
When? Right now!
Is it hot enough for you?
Hurry up, Dal! Look at the map!
I brought out your things just like you said. It's nice to see you.
Come here, you. Now get out of here. I got a cop to kill.
You can't leave me here. It's 130 degrees.
Yeah, but it's a dry heat.
Hammer, the prisoner just escaped during transfer.
I know, but the kind the stoolie talked to was old news. Who is he? Do I know this slimeball?
He hasn't been identified yet.
We switch you now to an on-the-scene interview. Here now is David King.
I'm David King, standing inside a prison bus that was hijacked not more than 10 minutes ago. Sir, you've escaped prison, commandeered an armored bus filled with weapons, and abandoned a very attractive woman in the desert. What's next?
I want to see Europe. Give me that microphone, you polyester piece of trash. I'm free! I'm free at last! And I'm gonna tear this stinking city apart until my old friend Sledgehammer joins me for a little reunion! One-on-one! A showdown! Just like the old days! You know the place, Sledge. Are you watching, Hammer? Please, you owe it to me.
Is this wrestling guy? Or Sledgehammer guy?
And I promise I'll never, ever do it again!
This is David King saying goodbye.
Say goodbye forever, you insect!
My God, Hammer, you know that man?
Yeah. I know him.
Who on earth is he?
His name is John Cogan.
Yeah, he and Hammer go way back.
The man is a wild animal. Why on earth would he want to kill you?
Simple. I was his best friend. Oh, come on, Captain. Stop pussyfooting around.
Damn, that sound was very nostalgic.
Mano with
The
Cogan.
dramatic
Something, Hammer. It is not the
scene
policy
switch
of my
sound.
precinct to give in to the demands of criminals.
Well, I'm always happy to take requests.
No, Hammer. Not while you're under my command.
All right, then suspend me. I'll act as a private citizen. You won't be held responsible.
No, Hammer. I see what you're trying to do. I didn't want you on the streets.
so I'm keeping you on the force. I'm gonna transfer you for the time being to personnel.
Personnel?
That's right.
Kogan's gonna level this entire city. I know this man. He is bad. His childhood goal was to be an astronaut. He wanted to be the first man to kill somebody on the moon.
Hammer, it's one individual on a bus. How much damage can he do?
Escaped convict John Kogan continues his cross-country tour of terror. While Kogan moves from city to city, coast to coast, a fearful public waits breathless, not knowing how, why, where, or when this enemy will strike next. John Kogan, coming to a city near you soon.
He's broken through the roadblock, sir.
What about the SWAT team?
Wiped out.
No, National Guard?
They refuse to get involved.
They refuse to get
Come
in.
on, Captain, you gotta fight fire with fire.
Nice SWAT team.
Let me be a bus stop.
No, Hammer.
Put me on suspension.
Absolutely not, Hammer.
Then I have no choice but to make you.
Hammer, don't even try it. No, Hammer.
This should do it. Do your duty. Put me on suspension.
Hammer, you're not even close.
Well, this should work. Gross insubordination, right?
Hammer! There is nothing you can do to make me put you on suspension. Now get out of my office!
Hey, Hammer, any more of your acquaintances bust out of prison today?
Hammer, you got a phone call from your old friend, Jack the Ripper.
Yeah, well, I think he's chicken. They had to make a movie about him, call it The Color Yellow.
I'm not chicken. Trunk is. He's afraid of what I'd do if I went one-on-one with Kogan. I'd shoot him. I'd shoot all of you. If I didn't have so much filing to do.
Hammer! I want those files on my desk now!
Think about this, Hammer. Don't do it. Hammer!
How's that for service? I'm in trouble, right?
I have no other choice, Hammer. You're on suspension. Are you happy?
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. This means a lot to me.
Get out.
Now I can do what I do best.
I won't be responsible. I'm not gonna be responsible for what happens out there, Hammer! What are y'all spinning around about? Get to work!
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
What do you want?
Well, sir, I just wondered why you don't want Hammer to go. Are you afraid he's going to kill Kogan?
On the contrary, Doro, Kogan will kill Hammer. He's a faster gun than Hammer will ever be.
What? Are you absolutely sure?
Kogan was Hammer's first partner. They knew each other when they were kids. They were like brothers.
Put that on the air. Tell Kogan I'll meet him at the place he mentioned. For a showdown.
The suspense is killing me. Suspense is killing me, man.
Whack. 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 Whack.